Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming, and I'm very glad to share some my thoughts with you about the future of digital banking and of banking in common. My name is Bogdan, and I'm a digital banking product manager. I work in company System Technologies. Our company, for more than 20 years, is developing software for banks, beginning from core banking system and till digital channels. And today I'm going to speak with you. I'm going to tell you some features that we have implemented in our brand new product called UniBank. But first of all, I want to share some information about current situation in banking sphere. When we are speaking about digital channels, about remote digital channels, usually we see the next situation that private individuals have almost all opportunities to work in online sphere, and legal entities have some requirements that are covered in remote mode, but unfortunately not all of them. For example, BFM, as Alena said 2 minutes ago. But usually we forget about another part of our users, because our user of banking software is not only our customer, not only those people who are sitting from the other side of monitor. Our users are our employee, our staff too. For example, banking management and security guys, they want to control everything that is happening right now in online mode, in remote channels, and to make some predictions what they have to do in the next minute or maybe in the next year. So that's why we have implemented a new product called UniBank. As you see, it covers every requirement that our client, our customer has, and our banking staff has. And it brings a really digital mode for every bank that bought this product from by us. So, if we are speaking about digital banking, we have to know some answers. We have to answer some questions that we can see at my next slide. And if you have positive answers for all of these questions, everything is perfect and your bank is true digital. First of all, when offices are closed, how we can connect with our clients, how we can connect with our employees, with our colleagues? It's a really very interesting question. And when lockdown is introduced, we have some troubles with communications, really. I can see it not only in the banking sphere, but even in software programming sphere too. As the solution of that problem, we can use a work from anywhere concept. We have some risk with it too, because we have to monitor the performance of our people, we have to monitor our processes, and so on and so forth. And when we are speaking about work from anywhere, we have to concentrate not on VPNs, VDIs, and so on. We have to concentrate really on digital workplace for all our employees, and it can be closed with simply remote digital channels. Yeah, that's it. And another question is how we can attract and retain new clients. This question is very important for every business. And I must say that the presence of a mobile application doesn't make the bank digital. And what characteristics does real digital banking has? There are three main characteristics. First of all, speed. Everything in digital banking should be made very fast, from decision making till the end of the process when a new product or something like that will be used by the end customer in mobile application. Second thing is flexibility. It's about ability to change. Our colleagues in the sections below said that everything must be in agile mode, and I'm totally agree with it, because everything that we did yesterday we will have to implement, we will have to refactor tomorrow. And another characteristic is through digital. What does it mean? It means that in digital channels we have to interact with people via digital banking products. What does it mean? It means that everything should be worked in our application. So when lockdown is held, nobody wants to visit offices, and we have to control everything and to interact only in digital sphere with our clients. And I have to say that our company works on 7 regions, and we right now are working and implementing some really cool software for different banks, beginning with small banks till large corporate banking associations. And I have to say that digitalization process is global. And when I usually ask my colleagues, product managers, what is the result of this equation, B2B and B2C? Usually I hear answer B2B2C, but not. We now understand that the right answer is B4C. And maybe BB4C, best banking for customer, because right now we have client-centric everything. Beginning with banking and till maybe sports. And we have to support all our clients, our customers, and our employees with the best software we can. And UniBank really can help banks to be a really digital bank. And I'm going to say some words about characteristics of UniBank. First of all, it's flexible. As said in the theme of my slides, microservices really helps in solving this problem, because microservices architecture helps to reuse some blocks and to implement really fast new products and to deliver it to our end clients, and to provide 24/7 mode of working of every product. Then speed. Of course, we can, with microservices, grow up our solution and to, for example, to make some investigations, what product will be suitable for our partners and what wouldn't. And I have to pay one more attention to one really cool fact, that the first delivery of UniBank can be carried out in 10 days and contain more than 50 modules on board from the very beginning. Another thing is through digitalism. Our product translates banking products to the digital form and help to control, to analyze everything that is happening right now and right here in banking software. And we can analyze and monitor everything, beginning with business and technical characteristics till security. Okay, then our product can work even if it hasn't connected with core banking system. We can take some payment forms, some transfers from our customers, and to organize a special queue. When everything will be all right and CBS will be available, we will send all the payments, all the instructions instructions to it and to proceed this queue. After that, we will show our clients that everything is okay and don't mind. We control your balances and everything will be great maybe in 2 or 3 minutes, and don't mind. Then what about work from anywhere concept? It's a really great opportunity for us to sell more, to increase our upsells via, for example, chat. When relationship manager is contacting with our client, he can see everything he needs right now and right here about this client. How many products does he have, and how he utilize, for example, sums of money. Maybe we can make some new upsells for him. Then we have embedded CRM in our product, and this module helps to organize task management in bank. So relationship manager can ask some help from tech guys and to speak with client, and in 2-3 minutes get the answer for this question. Next. Thing that I have to pay attention is, of course, analytics. Analytics are everywhere in our solution, and it should be everywhere around human. Why? Because it helps to make right decisions. So when managers see number of meetings, see product utilization, and see business KPIs, he can think, is everything okay, or I'm doing something wrong? If he has too many meetings and product utilization is still at low level, then something is wrong, and he or she have to make some changes in in his work. And to help to solve these problems, we have a UniBank AI module that not only controls and say, okay, you have to make this payment today. He prepares, really prepares payment forms for customer. And customer in the end have just click, okay, I want to proceed this payment. So, in conclusion of work anywhere concept, I should say that UniBank helps our staff, our employees to get better, to provide our clients with the best service. And the best service is everywhere. Right now, B4C, as I said before, client-centric mode is everywhere. And of course, we have must-have features in our product. For example, payments, analytics, limits, goals, which are connected with financial being. We, of course, are working in omni-channel mode. That means that everything that is started in internet banking can be ended in mobile banking. As Alena said, pro-currency exchange model is a really cool thing, and we implemented it in our product too. And we have investing interfaces and embedded banking module. Embedded banking helps banks to build really great ecosystems around bank. It helps to integrate with different e-commerce shops. For example, 3 years ago, our company helped one of really great banks to improve their product. We have an integration with one of mobile operators applications, and where that application bank gave loans. So on the 5th day of the month, they have to stop credit machine. Why? Because they don't have credit limit enough. They thought that upsales will be not so good as it was. And If we are speaking about ecosystems, I have to say that the usual human have ecosystem from the very beginning, from born, and this ecosystem is family. Our AI model helps parents not to worry about child's account. They leave time for parents for real care. And if we are speaking about legal entities, they have another type of ecosystem, what is called a group of companies. Real businessmen want to see analytics and everything that is connected with their business in real time, in online mode, and we do it. We are helping to improve payment processes with the help of invoicing to keep a bulletproof security level with signature schemes, and all transactions, of course, are proceeded in 24/7. And to help us, to help our customers, our partners, banks to build a really great ecosystem, we have an open API module that consists of 4 sub-modules: open API catalog, third-party portal, and of course open API documentation. With the help of it, almost every partner can integrate his application with open API, and everything will work perfectly. Then, technologies. As I said at the beginning of my speech, we have microservices in core, and they are controlled by a Kubernetes cluster. We have database compatibility with Postgre, with Microsoft SQL, with Oracle, with MongoDB, and so on. So I can say that we have database independence, and we are ready to move to cloud. I think because of these main features, our product is has favorable cost, and it will be not so expensive in the future too, because clouds became cheaper. And when everything will be okay with some legal, we can move our products to clouds too. And as you see, we have 4 tariffs: light, standard, high-end, and exclusive. And every instance of our product will have 3, 5, and 7 years of free updates. So microservices really helps, and agile methodology helps to implement a really cool business for banks. And I'm almost begging you to use it everywhere. So I should say that these thoughts were trying to implement in banking software for all our customers from Great Britain till China. And I will be very pleased to hear some interesting ideas. How can we integrate UniBank to your bank? So thank you so much.